Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showcasing you how to enable or disable the developer mode option on your Samsung Galaxy A17 4G or 5G. So let's begin the video. The first thing which you need to do is to open up your settings. Then you want to scroll all the way down until you see the about phone option. Tap on it. Here you are going to see the software information. Tap on that and there you have bunch of options available. The thing you have to find out is the build number option. Simply tap on the build number 7 times and then the developer mode option should be enabled. So let's tap on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. You see the developer mode option has been enabled. So once you have done that, you then want to navigate back to the main setting menu. Then from here underneath about phone, you should see the developer option and then you will see that it has enabled successfully. So guys, if you want to disable the developer mode option, then the process is very simple. You see that there has been a toggle button on the top right corner of the developer option. What you need to do is to just tap on that button and turn the developer mode option off. And when you go back onto the main setting page, you will notice that there has been no developer option. So guys, this is the method through which you can disable or enable the developer mode option on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Peace.